India recording its highest ever temperatures, Delhi hitting 52.3 degrees Celsius.
India is reeling under a severe heat wave and there are still many weeks to go. Schools have been closed early in anticipation.
Delhi at almost 50 degrees and counting. I feel cooked.
West Rajasthan has recorded 50 degrees Celsius. That's halfway to boiling temperatures. You will see that intense heat is not limited to India. It is stifling the entire globe this year.
According to the UN Convention to Combat Desertification, up to 40% of the planet's land is degraded, directly affecting half of the world's population. The number and duration of droughts have increased by 29% since 2000. Without urgent action, more than 3/4 of the world's population is expected to be affected by droughts by 2050. With depleting natural resources and forests and rising global warming concerns, have we taken her love and generosity for granted? Climate change, crazy heat waves, unexpected floods, water crisis in urban areas, droughts, wildfires, and numerous other natural calamities. We are feeling the huge impact. Although there is still some hope. This universe is vast, so immense that our existence seems insignificant. Yet, Earth, the third planet from the Sun, our home, the only home we have ever known, values us. It is where we live, laugh, and make memories. From the moment we are born, Mother Earth nurtures us, feeds us, embraces, and gives us a place to live. But has mankind been ruthless and unkind to Mother Nature? On June 5th, the World Environment Day, let us use the opportunity to start making a difference. Let it be a day to remind us all how crucial it is to protect our environment before it's too late. Together, we can turn things around and create a healthier, greener future for everyone. World Environment Day is celebrated every year with a specific theme to focus on immediate problems like climate change, global warming, and deforestation. And this year's theme is land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. The slogan for June 5th is Our Land, Our Future. We are Generation Restoration. But to make it a reality, we need to act now. Together, let's build a sustainable future for land and humanity. Let's discuss some small action which can have a big impact. Innovation. Channel your creativity and skills to discover novel methods of land restoration and water conservation. Educate and advocate. Educate yourself about environmental issues and spread awareness within your community. Utilize social media to advocate for policies that safeguard our precious land and water resources. Community involvement. Participate in or organize local cleanup drives, tree planting events, and conservation projects. Sustainable choices. Make sustainable choices in your daily life. Reduce waste, recycle, and support eco-friendly products. Water conservation. Fix leaks, turn off taps when not using, avoid bottled water, and take shorter showers to save water. Every little bit helps. Be car conscious. You can reduce driving, maintain your car, and work remotely when possible. Driving less is one of the best ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Walk, bike, or take public transit instead of driving. And third, if you have to drive, try to carpool with friends or co-workers. Plant trees. Last but not the least, and the most important, plant as many trees as you can. Today, when we are facing extreme heat waves and rising temperatures, it is the need of the hour. Not only it will help enrich the degraded land in the urban jungles we are living in, but will also help clean the air and release oxygen, which is essential for life. So, to all the youths, let us take action today to shape the world for a better tomorrow. We are Generation Restoration. Let's work together to ensure our land, our future.